Did you hear about the new admission, Mihira? They brought her in with severe pneumonia. She's in room 302. Apparently, she's been struggling with COPD for years, but this is the worst it's ever been. She's on oxygen, and they've started her on antibiotics. I hope she responds quickly.
Poor thing. Pneumonia can be really tough, especially for someone with COPD. We need to monitor her oxygen saturation closely. And don't forget about the incentive spirometer. It's crucial for preventing complications like atelectasis. I'm worried about her mental state too. Being on oxygen can be scary, and she's probably feeling pretty weak. We need to provide emotional support as well as physical care.
I know how worrying it can be when your child has a wound, and it's completely natural to want clear guidance to ensure Emily heals as quickly and comfortably as possible. Mihira, let's walk through the care plan together so you feel confident and prepared. For the first day or two, the most important goal is to protect the body's natural healing process that has already started. This means we need to keep the wound and its dressing perfectly clean and dry for the first 24 to 48 hours. This initial period is crucial for allowing the wound to seal itself and preventing any bacteria from getting in, which could lead to an infection. Please avoid letting the wound get wet during this time, so sponge baths are a great alternative to showers or baths. After this initial 48-hour period, you can begin gentle cleaning. Once or twice a day, especially if the dressing becomes soiled, you can carefully clean the area with mild soap and lukewarm water, gently rinsing away any drainage. Pat the surrounding skin dry very gently with a clean, soft towel. Avoid rubbing the wound itself. To protect it during bathing afterward, a waterproof dressing or a protective film barrier is highly recommended to keep the area completely sealed from water and soap. When Emily is outdoors, it's very important to protect the healing skin from direct sunlight, as new skin is very sensitive and can burn easily and may also darken permanently. Keeping it covered with a bandage or clothing is the best approach. As it continues to heal, you might notice some itching, which is a normal sign of recovery, but encouraging Emily not to scratch or pick at the scab will prevent scarring and allow for the best possible outcome. Your calm and careful attention will make all the difference in her healing journey.